Apple is once again making headlines in the robotics and AI world, and this time, the rumors are pointing towards something straight out of a sci-fi living room. According to a detailed report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the company is working on a tabletop robot companion slated for a 2027 release. This device could mark a major turning point in Apple's AI strategy, which has so far struggled to match the momentum of competitors like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. At its core, this isn't just another Apple gadget. It's being described as an iPad-like screen mounted on a movable robotic arm, able to track your position and swivel to face you as you move around a room. Think of it as a personal AI presence that follows the conversation, literally, wherever you go. The prototype reportedly features a 7-inch horizontal display, with the motorized arm capable of moving about 6 inches in any direction from its base. The vision, Siri, but actually useful. This isn't the Siri we've all known, the one who sometimes struggles to understand even basic commands. The tabletop robot is expected to debut alongside a completely overhauled version of Siri, designed to act more like an actual person. Apple's goal is to create a device that remembers past conversations, makes intelligent suggestions, and can interact naturally throughout the day. Bloomberg reports that the new Siri may even have a visual representation, possibly appearing as an animated Finder icon or even a Memoji-style avatar. The device will run on a new operating system called Charismatic, which is designed to support multiple users in a household, each with their own personalized AI experience. The idea is to make Siri not just a voice, but a presence, cheerful, conversational, and deeply integrated into daily life. The stripped-down smart home hub coming first. While the tabletop robot is grabbing the headlines, Apple's smart home ambitions won't make us wait until 2027. A simpler smart home hub is rumored for release as early as 2026. This device won't have a robotic arm or the fully conversational AI personality, but it will offer core features like music playback, note-taking, web browsing, video conferencing, smart home device control. It's essentially Apple's updated HomePod. The competition and the challenge. Apple isn't the first to experiment with home robotics. Amazon's Astro Robot and Samsung's Bally have both tried to capture consumer interest, with mixed results. The reality is that the personal home robot market remains largely unproven. Analysts have noted that while robots like Rosie from the Jetsons captured the public imagination decades ago, actually convincing consumers to pay for a robotic companion is another story entirely. However, Apple's advantage lies in ecosystem lock-in. With millions already using iPhones, iPads, and Macs, a well-integrated AI device that ties into existing services could tip the balance in its favor. Tim Cook has already hinted that Apple's product pipeline is amazing and that some of it will be revealed soon. The humanoid robot race is heating up. While Tesla Optimus is leading headlines with popcorn-serving charm and chore-handling finesse, it's far from alone in the robotics race. Across the United States, and now with Apple reportedly entering the fray through its upcoming tabletop AI companion, several companies are pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. They are not just aiming for labs or demo stages. They are building machines for real-world deployment across industries ranging from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare, hospitality, and even personal home assistance. This is no longer a one-horse race. It's a full-scale sprint toward a new kind of labor and lifestyle economy, one powered not by software alone, but by autonomous, mobile, and increasingly human-like machines. Tesla Optimus, Elon Musk's moonshot for the labor economy. Tesla Optimus represents Elon Musk's boldest vision yet, not just for Tesla, but for the future of human work. Musk has stated that humanoid robots could become Tesla's most valuable product, surpassing even electric vehicles and energy storage. With multiple demos showing Optimus cleaning, folding laundry, and now serving popcorn, the company is rapidly developing what it hopes will become the first mass-market general-purpose humanoid. Backed by Tesla's AI-4 chip and soon transitioning to the more powerful AI-5, Optimus is expected to reach full commercial production by 2026, with Musk aiming for up to 1 million units per year by 2027. The company even plans to deploy 1,000 Optimus units at its own factories by the end of 2025. Tesla isn't just creating a robot, it's designing the foundation for a future labor force of autonomous machines. Boston Dynamics Atlas, agility meets industry. If Tesla Optimus is the ambitious industrialist, Boston Dynamics Atlas is the elite athlete. Originally designed for disaster relief and military-grade mobility, Atlas has evolved into one of the most physically capable humanoid robots in the world. Known for its jaw-dropping parkour and high-speed movements, Atlas is now transitioning from flashy demonstrations to practical applications. The latest iteration, an all-electric Atlas, has ditched hydraulics in favor of a quieter, more deployment-ready build. Now equipped with next-gen grippers and real-time AI navigation, Atlas is being tested in industrial environments like Hyundai's production lines. Figure 02, the startup that's quietly catching up. Figure 02 combines stable walking, object manipulation, and intuitive task learning using deep reinforcement learning and vision-based systems. Unlike Tesla, Figure doesn't have an existing hardware empire to lean on, but that's part of its edge. It can move fast, iterate constantly, and stay laser-focused on general-purpose labor. Early demos have shown Figure 02 walking unaided and handling fragile objects like eggs with surprising finesse. Adcock believes this isn't just a robotics project, it's a mission to transform the global workforce. In parallel to these industrial-focused humanoids, Apple is preparing to enter the robotics space from an entirely different angle. People are beginning to question whether Apple should move beyond tabletop robotics and instead set its sights on the humanoid market. While stationary AI devices like smart speakers and desktop assistants have proven commercially viable, they are also becoming saturated and incremental in innovation. Humanoids, on the other hand, offer the potential to revolutionize how humans interact with machines, handling physical tasks, navigating real-world environments, and integrating into daily life in ways tabletop devices never could. With Apple's track record in combining sleek design, advanced AI, and tightly integrated ecosystems, many wonder if the company could leapfrog competitors and define the premium standard for humanoid robots, just as it did with the smartphone. The question is whether Apple will take that bold step or remain anchored in the safer, more familiar territory of tabletop devices. Could this be Apple's next iPhone moment? If Apple can pull off a truly intuitive, useful AI companion, the 2027 tabletop robot might represent a new category-defining product. But the risks are huge, both in terms of technology and market adoption. If it's too gimmicky, it could go the way of the iPod Hi-Fi or the Newton. If it nails the execution, it could redefine how we interact with technology at home. For now, we'll have to wait and watch as Apple experiments behind closed doors. But one thing is clear, Cupertino isn't just trying to make Siri smarter, it's trying to give Siri a body. And that could change everything. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.